Everyone. So today we'll learn how to create buttons in Tableau and navigate using those buttons to different dashboards. So basically, if you see on my screen, I have created this dashboard where I have a bar chart in dashboard 1, then I have a map chart, and then a detailed dashboard. Now what I want to do is I want to create a landing page, okay, where I will have navigation buttons. So for example, in on one button, if I click, it takes you to the bar chart dashboard. On the another one, if you click, it takes you to the map chart, and similarly for the detail dash as well. So let's start. So for this purpose, if you see here on the in the Tableau dashboard, you have an option called as navigation under objects. So what I will do, I will drag it 3 times. First I will make it as floating. This first button I will point to the bar chart, then the second button I will point to the map chart, and similarly the last button I will point to the detail dashboard. Okay. So what you need to do is just click on one of the button, go to edit buttons, and then here in the option of navigate to, you can select the dashboard where you want to point this button to. So for example, I will go to the bar chart and then click apply. Okay. Second button, I want to take this to the map chart. Okay. So let me point this to the map chart. Apply. And the last button, I will point it to the detail dashboard. So now these three buttons will take you to the respective dashboards. Now what I want to do is I want to apply some icon or uh, image on top of this navigation button to make it like more user friendly, and it will look much better, I would say. So let's click on edit button again. Rather than text, select image, go to choose, and then it will ask for a path. So what I will do, I have already downloaded some icons from Google, so you can also do that. So there is one icon that I have downloaded for the bar chart. I will select that, click apply, and then you can see over here on the navigation button, it's showing as an image. Similarly for the map chart also, I will go to image and I will select a map chart from here. Okay. Now the last one for the detail dashboard, let's select some image for this as well, click apply. So now what I will do, I will add some text just to make sure that or let the user know that this is what this button will do. Let's make it Tableau medium 12. Okay. Similarly for map, and then finally for the detail. You can do the formatting as you like. Okay. And let's bring it here. Let's bring this icon closer. So this is done. For testing, basically we need to go to the presentation mode. So I will go to the presentation mode, and now if I click on any of these buttons or icons, it will take me to the respective dashboard. Yeah. So you can see how it works. Now one thing is when I go to any dashboard, ideally there should be a back button also, because otherwise I will have to go through the tabs, right? So As a best practice, you should always add a back button when you are using a navigation buttons to go to different dashboards. So what I will do, I will exit from the presentation mode and I will go to suppose bar chart. Again, I will add one more navigation button, and then I will navigate it to the landing page. That is the first page where I added all the buttons. Click apply. I will add a image on this as well, and that's it. So again, if I go to the presentation mode, if I click on back, it will take me to the landing page. Again, go to bar chart, click back, it will take you again to the landing page. So this is how we can add buttons in Tableau dashboard to navigate through different dashboards or tabs that you have in your respective dashboard. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Let me know in comment section if you have any questions, and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.